In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a stem and leaf plot in SPSS. Our data contains the statistics exam scores of 40 hypothetical students. A stem and leaf plot will give us a simple visual representation of how the scores are distributed while still displaying the individual exam scores. To create the stem and leaf plot in SPSS, we go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. In the Explore dialog box, we select the variable we want to plot, statistics exam score in our example, and move it to the dependent list box. Next, we click the Plots button to open the Explore Plots dialog box. Under Descriptive, we want to make sure that the stem and leaf box is checked. And under Box Plots, we can select None since we don't need a box plot. Then we click Continue to return to the Explore dialog box. Under Display, we select Plots. Once we click OK, SPSS will generate our stem and leaf plot in the output viewer. Let's look at our plot. The plot shows both the stem width and the number of cases each leaf represents. For example, if the stem width is 10, a stem value of 5 means 50. That's 5 multiplied by 10. Each leaf represents one individual case. So if we see 7, 8, 9, 9 next to stem 5, this means the scores are 57, 58, and 2 scores of 59. Well, that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and simple SPSS tutorials.